power of community. It's a beautiful thing. It's fun to be a part of a community. It's fun to be a part of something that's happening that is positive. We're just testing to see if the skid loader can lift it. It's a lot of weight.
Waking up, it's gone. It leaves us feeling cold again. Picking up the stones our hands were made to feel. And moments like these, they show us what we've got when we ain't got a thing. We've got us. We've got us.
It's easy. He's doing it. It's easy.
Like a skinny chick. It's all missing in the back end.
Oh.
And still we've got us. 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 Deceitful intentions, so painful the scar. Enlighten the darkness, so foolish we are. Still we've got us. Still we've got us. Still we've got us. Still we've got us.
Go back to the hair. Good. Right, set it down.
The power of community. It's a beautiful thing. Man, this was great.
Joe even learned a new trick.
Dude, that thing was like, whoa. I'm like, I'm gonna have to slam this thing.
Still we've got
Already, since we've been here.
Right, the trailer was really handy and we didn't even know we were going to be buying solar panels. So it's super awesome that we had it right at the time we needed it.
It's kind of like how the tiny house, we got all the grass cut, not realizing that day we were gonna be delivered a tiny house. So
Right.
God definitely goes before you, prepares the way.
Amen.
Wait though. Did you see the skid steer?
Yeah, I got all of that. It was amazing. It was easy.
Yeah. Power community.
It was such a great thing. I mean, we got to share with people in doing something that's moving us forward into freedom. It's not wasted time. And I feel like that everybody feels like they're contributing when you're there and something like a cow gets out, or you need a trailer loaded, or
It's a lot of wins, a lot of winning.
it is. It was a lot of winning, and a lot of winning for freedom for the sake of doing something purposeful. I like that. It's fun to be a part of a community. It's fun to be a part of something that's happening that is positive. And when things happen, it's just fun to be around people that are all willing to grab a fence panel or jump on a quad and help out.
And you're constantly learning new things while doing that.
100% of the time. I didn't know I could pick up a fence panel by myself.
Good job, you've been working out.
"31 solar panels. 56 watts apiece. 56 volts apiece. Good job. Okay, hold on. Let's open the doors.
I gotta move. I got my table saw, I gotta get out.
No, and we're gonna need some kind of ramp to get the trailer up. We need some kind of...
You think?
I just don't know. That's a lot of weight in that thing, and you don't want to puncture it. Or...
Alright, well I can make a ramp.
And we can pull this out. We're not expected to have any kind of adverse weather.
No, I gotta clean up the other stuff.
So this shipping container is super clean too. It's really nice. Looks like it's got a little bit of a scrape on the inside of it there, but it's not bad. It's definitely solid. Good. Hold on.
Try and get it straight.
You look good.
On both sides?
Yep.
Man, that's delicious.
It's delicious. You gotta be careful. This side's close.
That's great. I see now.
You're doing great. We've never had a trailer before, so trying to figure out how to maneuver it is definitely a learning curve. There you go. Good.
What's that? What do we got in the shipping container? Well, we got it in. It's a little tight. What's our plan?
You said we're unloading them.
Okay, we gotta unload them to the back there. And for now, we're gonna drop the trailer right here.
All right,
Ready?
let's do it.
I gotta see. I can't. This one. These look good. We should get some chain.
Chain, chain, chain. Chain of fools.
Okay. We should chalk the wheels if it's gonna roll on me. We'll find out.
Can you give me those blocks? Safety first.
Yeah. So, my wife's advice, I blocked and chopped the wheels.
Can see the back end of the truck going up.
Make sure this is good.
There we go. Nice.
Seems legit.
Yep, too legit to quit.
Right.
Solar panels are in the shipping container. An example of buying dirt, not diamonds. One more step closer to freedom. This is power that we have off-grid. Now we just need batteries and inverters, and we are set to go. This is awesome. One more system in place. Oh, I need coffee before I get these unloaded. All right. Thanks for watching, and we hope that our journey encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. And until next time, we're praying blessings on you. We'll see you soon.